We believe in power of empowering people and communities. We are INSA India. Established in 1982 with the support of Global Health Action USA, INSA India has emerged as one of the few successful training organizations in India. With 3 decades of experience and expertise in working with communities. We also have CDC, MIRADA and TNSEX as few of our partner organizations who has worked with us in helping communities grow. Over the years, we have diversified ourselves to cater various needs for community development. Working in the registered community-based organizations addressing health and developmental issues. We are one of the few organizations in India who have pioneered HIV/AIDS prevention education and is now focused in building advocacy and generating discussion among children through a unique concept called Children's Parliament. Here, they have their own platform to have discussion on issues that parents and elders usually shy away from.
We have had programs that have been catered to all age group of people. We are now presently concentrating on addressing issues of children who have difficulties, children who have been abused, children who are needed to be protected, children who need our support and our encouragement towards a well-groomed, successful citizens of this country.
Our programs have been conducted across rural and urban India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Nepal. Innovative games are effectively used to reinforce and educate staff, children and community.
We are building a cadre of friendly advisors, people who can dialogue with young people, especially to do with sexuality and areas that young people need a lot of support and help with. We support organizations, not just non-governmental organizations, but also corporates to be able to develop their CSR policies, to be able to also develop policies related to gender, sexuality and rights.
Over 600 beneficiaries, which includes teachers, priests, parents and people living with HIV, have become friendly advisors directly through INSA India's workshop.
The campaigns in the schools to help the children to come out with a positive attitude towards people with HIV/AIDS, through competitions in the essay competitions, debates, etc. And child-friendly atmosphere and helping children to sort of develop positive attitudes. And the organization's very strong point is training people in the communities so that they can go back and start their own projects which would benefit the society.
I see a lot of future for INSA. What is commendable is that the staff are most of the time updated with new facts. So much so they have been getting chance to also interact abroad with a lot of the positive experiences they have. I only hope and wish that there is a place of their own which will give them more support and permanence to whatever they are doing.
Here at INSA, we believe everything is possible if we have determination to achieve. And we believe that our vision of just society with development is possible to achieve, and we are working towards it. Learn what you see and teach what you learn.